Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we learning alphabets. Yellow color, red color, pink color, orange color, brown color, black color, sky blue color, green color. Learning alphabets. Orange color A for ant. A for ant. Green color B for ball. B for ball. Black color C for cat. C for cat. Brown color D for doll. Red color E for egg. Green color F for fish. F for fish. Blue color G for grape. G for grape. Red color H for horse. H for horse. Yellow color I for ice cream. Red color J for jar. J for jar. Blue color K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color L for leaf. Red color M for monkey. Green color N for nose. Blue color O for owl. Yellow color P for parrot. Red color Q for queen. Green color R for rose. Blue color S for star. Red color T for top. Yellow color U for umbrella. Green color V for vulture. Blue color W for watch. Red color X for X-ray. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X.